Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're ready to start. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi and plug in the phone so it won't die mid-setup. Once done, make sure iOS is up to date. This avoids compatibility prompts. Now open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. Pick Create Apple ID to begin. You'll move straight into entering personal details, so have your email or plan to make a new at Icloud. Com address. This gets your account established and tied to this iPhone immediately. You'll now enter the how. Type your legal name and birthday so Apple can verify age rules, then choose either an existing email or create a new at iCloud. Com address. New is simpler for syncing. Make a strong password. Mix upper, lower digits and symbols and write it into your password manager. Set security questions and add a recovery phone number to avoid lockouts. Finally, enable two-factor authentication for immediate extra security and future account recovery options. Finish by verifying the codes sent to your email and phone. Entering them proves you control those contact points. After verification, choose which iCloud services to enable. Photos, Backup, Keychain, and Find My are common essentials, and make sure iCloud Backup is on. Once the initial sync completes, force a manual backup to secure settings and data. If something fails, a common fix is to sign out and back into settings your name. Then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.